Welcome! If you're looking for delicious and satisfying breakfast to help with weight loss, you're in the right place. Today, we'll explore healthy twists on breakfast classics from the United States, the UK, and Canada. These dishes are packed with flavor, easy to make, and will keep you full and energized all morning long. Let's dive in. Let's start with American breakfast favorites. Pancakes with a healthy twist. Traditional pancakes are often loaded with sugar and refined flour. Instead, try oat-based pancakes. Simply blend rolled oats, a banana, and eggs for a naturally sweet and fiber-rich alternative. Top with Greek yogurt and fresh berries for a boost of protein and antioxidants. Classic eggs and bacon, made lighter. Swap regular bacon for turkey bacon or lean Canadian bacon. Pair it with scrambled egg whites or eggs cooked in avocado oil. Add a side of sautéed spinach or cherry tomatoes for extra nutrients. Breakfast burrito. Opt for a whole grain tortilla and fill it with scrambled eggs, black beans, avocado, and a little salsa. It's a balanced meal with healthy fats, fiber, and protein. Next, let's head to the UK, home of the traditional English breakfast. The healthy full English. A traditional full English can be heavy, but here's a lighter version. Grilled turkey sausages and mushrooms. Add baked beans, low sugar variety. Poach an egg and serve with whole grain toast. For added greens, throw in some wilted kale or spinach. Porridge oats. Porridge is a classic staple, but instead of sugar or syrup, top it with a sprinkle of cinnamon, chopped nuts, and fresh fruit like sliced apples or bananas. Add chia seeds for extra fiber and omega-3s. Finally, let's explore Canadian favorites. Maple-infused overnight oats. Overnight oats are perfect for busy mornings. Mix rolled oats, almond milk, a dash of pure maple syrup, and chia seeds. Let it sit overnight in the fridge and top with fresh blueberries and a dollop of Greek yogurt in the morning. Healthy French toast. Use whole grain bread dipped in a mixture of egg whites, almond milk, and cinnamon. Cook in a non-stick pan and serve with a drizzle of maple syrup and fresh strawberries. Smoothie bowl. Blend frozen bananas, spinach, almond milk, and a scoop of protein powder for a vibrant green smoothie bowl. Add toppings like granola, pumpkin seeds, and a sprinkle of unsweetened coconut flakes. And there you have it, healthy twists on breakfast classics from the US, UK, and Canada. Remember, breakfast is the most important meal of the day, so fuel your body with meals that are both nutritious and delicious. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more healthy eating tips and recipes. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.